Hi friends, it's Vlogtober and we're creeping it real. Sorry guys, I was trying my best to find my gimbal, but I don't know where it is. So if anyone has like motion sickness, I apologize. I'm gonna try my best, but if you need to look away because I'm moving, I apologize and I completely understand. But let's get into Vlogtober day 3. So today, as you walk with me to the living room, hi kiddos. So the kitties, oh my gosh, y'all, I looked for the cover for my lens on my phone, but I can't find it to save my life, so I'm gonna have to order another one from Amazon. Winnie, say hi. Big stretch, get it girl, yeah. And there's silly little Sterling. Sterling loves sitting up here with the skeleton. But anyways, let's get into why we're here. Hi, Toxie Wotsy. Toxie is not feeling well today. He had a little bit of food come up this morning, so he's chilling with his pumpkin and his skeleton and his ghosty. Hope you feel better, baby. He's like, girl, if you don't go ahead and record this video so you can hold me. Winnie is thinking about eating the treat, but she's not really sure. Anyways, today I thought we'd give you guys a quick little tour of the living room. Right, Win? Is that okay with you? Okay. Well, first, this is the kids' room. Whenever we have to go somewhere and leave the kitties or the pups at home, this is their room. And we're like, go to your room. And then we have our little 3-foot skeleton, the beautiful Bath and Body Works carriage. I still haven't put a candle on top of it because I just feel like it looks so cute how it is. And here's these little ghost bells, I think is what they were called, but I picked them up at Target last year. Still love them. I have the little diffuser from Marshalls that everybody and their mama was looking for. And then, y'all, I got this little ghosty from Target. I know, right? I know, you're all hyped because you're like, yeah, she got the ghosty from Target. Y'all, look at this. Look at this foolishness. They sent it in the mail, but they didn't package it or protect it well, and the handle was broken off. I was like, what the hell? But it's cute, so we're just going to use it for decor, but he ain't functional, but he's cute. Let's see here. And then we have the cute little Home Depot house because if you didn't know, your girl loves some 12-foot skeletons, and we just put up 2 of them last night. Still got to work on our little theme, but you know, we're getting there. And then I have this cute little RIP tombstone candle from DW Home, aka TJ Maxx. It is bourbon cider. Yeah, it smells bourbony and cidery. I don't know, y'all. With the DW Home candles, like, there are a few of them that smell amazing. Like I want to say it's called Himalayan salt, but it comes in like this pink package. And like that one smells great. And their red velvet cake one, that one smells great. The other ones, I feel like I just purchased them for how they look. But I don't know. You know, as soon as I say that, then I'll probably take it back because it'll be some other one that I love. Anyhow, here's our 3 little jack-o'-lanterns doing their thing. Don't mind the extension cords. And we're off to the couch. What's up, little Sturly Burly? Are you hanging out with the skeletons? This white skeleton here, absolutely love him. It was crazy trying to track this guy down, but I'm so grateful. Absolutely love him. We got the little ghosty pillow from Home Goods. I forget where this little blanket was from, but I just thought it was cute. I love skeletons and jack-o'-lanterns. And you know, like, I'm cool with ghosts, but spiders and snakes, it's a no for me. I just, and then we got the little dogs from Big Lots. Shout out to Philly Girl 31, who was like, y'all need these. You got to get them. So we got them, right, Sterling? And Sterling, like, they love being up here next to this skeleton. And they also love being over here at this corner. But I don't know if you can see, but where she's posted up at, if she turns around, she's able to look out of the glass pane. So like they love, all 3 of them, if we leave and we leave them out, they love running and jumping and sitting up there on the couch. So they are able to keep a lookout and be like, where are my parents at and when are they coming back? Let's see, here's another little ghosty. Oh, this dead breakfast, Sleepy Hollow pillow. Picked that one up from Ross. Absolutely love it. It's so cute. I almost feel like we should put it in the guest room. This little ghosty pillow, no, not a pillow, the little ghosty blanket. And yes, I like literally just folded the blankets before we started the video. So as many of you all know, out here in these streets, we live real life, but then, you try to tidy up. I think the blankets will like last where they're at probably until maybe, I'm gonna say maybe 5 o'clock before the husband gets home, and then we like chill, and then all the pillows will be displaced because the dogs will jump up and want to play. They're a mess. But here's some more of our little pillows. The cat, I was going to take the cat back, but I waited too late, and it was after the 30 days. I regret that, but I'm like, we have the cat, so might as well, make it do what it do. I don't know. It's just huge. Like, look at this cat. The cat is just so big, and his eyes, I don't know, and like his mouth, I don't know. It's just weird. Love this little pumpkin spice latte. Y'all already know I'm pumpkin spice girl, so it's okay. This cute little jack-o'-lantern. Oh, yes, and this other pillow we picked up from Ross. And look at these ghosty dogs. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. And then some more skeletons, because, you can always have plenty of skeletons. And then this guy, this one's the fancy little skeleton from Pottery Barn. Say, what's up, boo? What's happening? Pottery Barn in the house. Sorry, guys. Y'all know I'm silly and absolutely ridiculous. Winnie is chowing down on a treat right now. I think Tux is too. Oh, sorry. So here's where I've been burning candles for the living room lately. And today we are burning, oh my gosh, let me lift this up for you guys. Oh man, let me turn around. Danger. Okay, today we are burning Winter Pear Forest over here. And this is like, maybe like the second or third burn for this candle. And this is where all the wicks go to die when I cut them off. We also have this little coffee candle that I'll burn every now and then. But it's just for funsies. And then here is the fireplace mantle. We've got a little zero down here. This thing is actually, watch Winnie be like, and why are you coming over here showing people me eating? I'm sorry, Winnie. Gosh, they want the real deal. We're vlogging. Hi, Tuxie. Who said, we're vlogging, baby. We're vlogging. Come on to the camera. Say, hey, hey. Okay, sorry, guys. I just put these blankets here because we have a gas fireplace. So I was just like, I'm not curious to go buy some fake wood logs. So let me just roll up some blankies. But yeah, we have Zero, their little furbo that throws them out treats. There's fake Halloween Winnie's little stunt double. And some skeletons. Oh, and then that's Katrina. Katrina. Is that Katrina, Sterling? Is that Katrina for real? Yeah. Sorry, Winnie. I gotta show the people the stuff. They got things to do. They can't wait for you to want to play all day. So then here's this little jack-o'-lantern. Here is Katrina, and she is being a part of a selfie by these two silly skeletons. And then we have the top of the mantle. I don't know why I positioned that skeleton like that, but why not? Hence the why not? And yeah, I just put a little something up here. I absolutely love this wood ghost. It's so precious. And I also picked up the Headless Horseman, and I believe it lights up as well. And then you all know my little Bath and Body Works pieces. I have the iridescent skeleton from last year, and then this year's pumpkin. And just like I said, y'all, I turned it around because ain't nobody got time to be seeing no spiders and be ready to slap that pumpkin down off the top of the fireplace. And then we have the king skeleton from this year. And I'm so happy and appreciative that this mantle cover fits our mantle. So it looks cute with the little ghosties. And I think is that everybody for the living room, guys? Oh wait, we have our skeletons in the bathtub, baby. I had nowhere else to put this other skeleton, so I just kind of like threw him in there. and and then we put the other little neutral skeleton heads from Rachel Zoe in here, and we've got some eyeballs. I swear, like, there's more eyeballs somewhere, but it's somewhere hiding in in the storage downstairs. So one day I'll finally make it down there. And be able to fill up the rest of the tub. Yeah, Sterling, you like that? Did the metal taste good? No? Okay. But yeah, and these are the kids' little play toys. They have been stealing treats out of there. And Sterling's getting ready to try and brush her teeth with her little whimsy stick. And I don't know where Winnie went. Where's Winnie? You don't know? I don't know either. That girl's crazy. Who knows? But yeah, so this is us on day 3 of Vlogtober. And we've showed you guys our fancy little living room setup. Here, I will zoom out so you see it. Big stretch, Tuxie. Big stretch, baby. Yes, we love to see it. We love to see it. But here is one last little view. And hope you guys have enjoyed hanging out with us this morning. And we will catch you guys in the next video. Happy Vlogtober!